Everybody back here, EMD Automotive. Today I'll show you what I'm doing today. I've got a Porsche Boxster that the actual indicator stalk. See how I'm pushing it up to turn right, but it keeps coming down. So the spring, the mechanism spring arm inside is broken in there to lock it in. So to do this job, you gotta remove everything, pretty much everything out. Steering wheel, the airbag, all the covers, wiring, everything apart before you actually change it. So I've taken that out, the radio out as well, because I'm doing the PCM upgrade on this car as well. So, but to show you what I'm doing today, that's the brand new one. That's the brand new part there, and that's the old one there. So I'm going to replace it first and put the wiring back together and airbags and all that. So that's the steering wheel as well, has to come out. It's not easy. It's not easy job for someone who doesn't do automotive, but a bit of work to get there. So the most important thing is lining it up and going through the whole system again, double check, make sure that nothing's make sure everything's working. Sorry. Okay, I've got to change the vents later on. I've got the parts here, so I've got to do that one there, the inside one here, and that one there, because that's all falling apart here. The inside, all the foam's coming out, so every time you put the aircon on, it just blows on your face. Yeah, that's a clock spring. I'll do another video part 2 and then show you how it works when I'm done. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.